Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing my Sephora Play unboxing or unbagging for you today. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Erin. I'm glad that you found me and I hope that you will consider clicking that subscribe button so you can see all the other videos I have for you. I do quite a variety here on my channel, from unboxings like this one to empties videos, baking videos, planner videos, sometimes fashion thrown in here and there, as well as vlogs. So there is certainly quite a variety for you to see, and I would love it if you would subscribe and become a part of my little corner of YouTube here. So before I get into the unboxing, I would like to ask you, do you get any subscription boxes? And if so, which ones do you get? I'm always looking to learn about new ones and possibly try different ones, so I'd love to hear about your favorites. Leave that in the comments down below for me. But let's see what is in February's bag. On the bag here, it just has a little face inside a heart, and it says "Feel the Love" with pink ribbon, so very Valentine themed. And the first item here is a Sephora brand product. It is a lip product, which I normally would be excited about, except that I've already gotten this color from Sephora, so right off the bat, that's another duplicate that I've gotten from them before. If this keeps happening, I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it. If it had come in any other color, I would have been fine with it, but this is the exact color that I've gotten before. And I did try to let them know a few boxes ago when I got a bunch of repeat products that I had received before, that I got a bunch of repeat products, but they seemed to misunderstand and think that I meant I got repeat products in the box, meaning I got like 2 highlighters of the same thing in the box, which is not what I meant at all. So they just sent me the same box twice, which was nice of them to try to make the effort, but not what I was looking for. I wish that they had more of a system for you to review items, or for them to keep track of what items you've received before, so that you're not getting the same ones over and over, because that's not fun. But I'll have to hang on to this for maybe a giveaway or somebody else who might like to use it, because I don't need 2 of the same color. So first product, a little disappointing. Next up is the perfume sample for the month. Again, one I've gotten before. It's the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. So I'm going to keep that right in its packaging and see if maybe my mom or somebody else would like to have it, because, again, I already have this one. Oh, that's interesting. This is another Sephora brand product and another lip product. 1, I never get 2 Sephora brand products in the same bag, and 2, I definitely never get 2 lip products in the same bag, so I don't know if that was on purpose or not. I'll have to watch some other unboxings and see, but maybe this will make up for the duplicate. Or not. Well, this is turning out to be quite the dud of the unboxing, because when I opened the package, the lipstick went flying onto the floor, completely out of the package. So that's not good. I don't even know if it will stay in there now. It is a pretty kind of wine burgundy color, but why did it completely fly out of the package like that? Oh boy. Okay, so next is a product from Lancome, and take a guess what it is. Eyeliner. My new least favorite thing to get, because they seem to give them to me all the time. This says Drama Liquid Pencil Extreme Longwear Eyeliner. It is nice and black, and does seem like it's fairly easy to go on, so I may not mind this one, but I would like to get other products than eyeliner. Alright, and then a product from First Aid Beauty. It's the Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse with water or remove with a soft washcloth. Use 3 times a week or as needed. Doesn't really have, it has just kind of a soapy scent. And the final item is from Belief, which is a brand that I like. Oh, and it says Moisturizing Eye Balm Essential Eye Cream. Well, that I do find exciting. Provides intense moisture up to 26 hours and boosts elasticity. So that's interesting, though it is quite tiny looking. Though, for eye cream, there's quite a, I mean, it's full at least, so that's a good thing. So I just want to see what's in the booklet here and see what products they list and what products, oh, they did mean to give me 2 lip products apparently. So, oh, it says, psst, we've given you 2 lip products this month so you can share one with a friend. Well, I will be sharing one with a friend because I've gotten it before. And this one, we'll see if I can even use if it stays in the packaging. So it says, for this lipstick, a very good idea. Sephora Collection Rouge Matte Lipstick in Rebel Chic, a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering, long-lasting berry shade. Looking for an ultra matte lip shade that's also moisturizing and doesn't feel chalky on your lips? We found it for you. Plus, this berry hue is flattering on every skin tone. So, and then as for the mask, let's see what the benefits might be. Why I love it. Superfoods are changing the skincare game, and this mask is no exception. It calls on antioxidant-packed ginger and turmeric to refresh and revive so skin looks brighter, hydrated, and supple. Did we mention a face covered in orange jelly makes for great selfies? I don't know about that one, but now for the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Whether you're feeling tired or dehydrated, a few dabs of this botanical-infused formula will revive the area around your eyes for a firmer appearance. It's also great prep for makeup application. And anything special about the eyeliner? Oh, it does say this eyeliner blends the best of both worlds. It has the intense color payoff of liquid liner, and based on the swatch, I would agree with that. But it's easy to maneuver like a pencil. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Has me curious how much it might cost. But so, yet again, another somewhat disappointing box. While I do get excited about lip products, and I normally would be thrilled at the fact of getting 2 lip products, the fact that I got one before, and the fact that this is not even secured in the package is disappointing. And we'll have to see about these other 3 products, how I like them. I have a feeling I'm going to like the eye product. Not sure about the face mask, and we'll see how great the eyeliner works. Maybe I'll try to test that out in my next video for you. Now, I know that Sephora probably has thousands and thousands, potentially hundreds of thousands of these boxes that go out. But I do have a Beauty Insider profile, and I wish that there was some sort of option on there for you to kind of review your box, or that way they could keep track of what products you've gotten before, because it's starting to feel like every other one, like one's a little bit disappointing and a letdown, and then the next one's really good, and now this one's disappointing and a bit of a letdown again. So I'll have to see how the next couple of months go, and hopefully they'll start to be more consistently good, but we shall see. But do you get this box? And if so, did you get the same items as me, different items? Have you been excited about it, disappointed in it? I would love to know your thoughts and if I'm alone in this or not. But thank you for watching this unboxing. Sorry I couldn't be more excited for you, but you know, they can't all be perfect boxes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what videos you would like me to do for you in the coming months, and I'll see you soon. Bye!